Welcome to Dcom. We are so pleased to introduce Behance automation bot, which can increase views on Behance automatically, spread links of Behance posts with keywords, spread users' followers, also auto-follow, mass follows, and auto-message to Behance users in bulk. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to follow Behance users in bulk automatically with our software Behance Automation Bot. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running any function. So please refer to the video of increase Behance views, Behance bot, increase Behance followers, improve Behance like. From the second 33 to the minute 9:48, I will post link of this video in the description box. Now we will instruct you to run the follow users function after you set up our basic setting. At action section, you will select follow users. Next, turn to list of users section. You create a text file to save link of users that you want to follow. For example, these are users on Behance that I want to follow. You can see each user will be entered below and click to save. Then at list of user section, you click on this icon so that the list of user text file created. Then you click OK to run. You can click on show browser to see how the software follow users on Behance. This demonstrated above are instructions on how to follow Behance users in bank automatically with our software Behance automation tool. You can visit autobotswap.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.